Good morning, class 10. Today we are going to do exercise 8.3 of chapter number 8, matrices. Okay, so question number 32. It says we have to find the value of x where 4, 1, x is equals to minus 4, minus 1, 8, 2 matrix. So here, because this is 2 into 2 matrix, so we have to take the value of x as x and y. Okay, after taking this, we'll multiply these two matrices and we'll get this value. So after multiplying, we have got 4x, 4y, x and y. Okay. So now comparing the elements, 4x is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to minus 1 directly we can write, and y is equals to 2. So therefore with the answer we have got x is equals to minus 1 and 2 matrix. Now 33 part 1. Here we have to find the matrix C. Okay. And A and B are given and AC is equals to B is given. So as we can see the result is 2 into 1 matrix, so that we can understand the C will be also 2 into 1 matrix. That's why we have got the product as 2 into 1 matrix. So we'll take this as x and y. Now we'll multiply. So the multiplication will come 2x minus y and minus 4x plus 5y is equals to minus 3 and 2. Okay, now comparing the elements, 2x minus y is equals to minus 3 and minus 4x plus 5y is equals to 2. Now we'll apply elimination method. For elimination method, at least one coefficient should be equal. So we are making x equal. So we'll multiply the first equation multiplied 2. Okay, so we'll get 4x, 2 2s are 4. Then this will be minus 2y and this will become minus 6. Now we can see 4x minus 4x, they will cut each other. Minus 2y and plus 5y will give you 3y, and minus 6 plus 2 will give minus 4. So y is equals to, we have got the value minus 4 upon 3. Okay. Now putting the value of y in the equation 1, what do we get? 2x minus y is equals to minus 3. Now 2x minus y, we have got minus 4 by 3. So we'll put the value. So we'll get is equals to minus 3. Now minus minus will become plus. So plus 4 by 3. Now this plus 4 by 3 will be shifted to the other side. So it will become minus 4 by 3. Now minus 3 minus 4 by 3. 3 3s are 9. So it will be minus 9 minus 4. When it will be added, it will give you minus 13. And then this 2 will come to the next side, right hand side. So it will become divided. So 3 in multiply 2, that is 6. So therefore the answer has come minus 13 by 6. So we have got the value of x as minus 13 by 6. Value of y is minus 4 by 3. Therefore matrix C will be minus 13 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. Now comes question number 34. Here A is equals to given and BA is equals to I is given. Okay, where I is the unit matrix of order 2. So if it is order 2 unit matrix, so we'll write the I is equals to 1 0 0 1. Okay, and we have to find the value of B. So let's take B as A B C D. Okay, now multiplying those will get 1i. So multiply it. So multiplying it, we get 3a minus b here, minus 4a plus 2b, 3c minus d minus 4c plus 2d. That is equals to 1 0 0 1. Now we'll again compare the elements. So we'll get 3a minus b is equals to 1. Okay, so 3a minus b is equals to 1. So we can write it as minus b is equals to this 3a will be shifted to the right hand side. So it will become 1 minus 3a. So b is equals to 1 minus 3a. Now if here the sign is changed, here also the signs will change. So this negative will become positive. So minus 3 will become 3a and 1 is positive. So it will become negative. So it will become minus 1. So 3a minus 1. Okay. After we have got the value of b, we'll put in the equation minus 4a plus 2b, we'll put the value of b. So we have written minus 4a plus 2b is equals to 0. So minus 4a plus 2, b will be 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. Now minus 4a plus 6a minus 2. So minus 4a plus 2, 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we'll multiply 3 2s are 6. So it will become 6a and 2 1s are 2. So 6a minus 2. Minus a plus 6a, minus 4a plus 6a will give you 2a. And here minus 2 will be shifted to the right hand side, it will become plus 2. So 2 by 2 we have got the value of a as 1. After we get the value of a 1, we'll put in the equation of b is equals to 3a minus 1 and we'll get the value of b. B is equals to 3a minus 1. So it is equals to 3 1 minus 1, that is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2 we have got. Now we have two other equations, that is 3C minus D is equals to 0. So from here we'll get the value of C, that is D by 3. And minus 4C plus 2D is equals to 1. So we'll put the value of C, that is D by 3, in this equation. So it will become minus 4D by 3 plus 2D is equals to 1. That is equals to minus 4D plus 6D by 3 is equals to 1. Now minus 4D plus 6D, that will be 2D. And this 3 will be shifted to the right hand side. So it will become 3. 1 multiply 3, 3. Now minus 4 plus 6, that will be 2. So 2D is equals to 3. Now D is equals to 3 by 2 we have got. So C is equals to D by 3, means 3 by 2 multiply 3, then 3 will cut each other, so therefore we have got 1 by 2. Therefore C is equals to 1 by 2 and D is equals to 3 by 2. Now matrix B, that's our answer, A, B, C, D. We'll put the values, we have got 1, 2, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is your answer. Question number 35. Here given is equals to 4, 2 minus 1, 1 and M is equals to 6I. Okay, so this is multiplied to M and this is equals to 2 into 2 ordered identity unit matrix. So we have to write 1, 0, 0, 1. We'll write it over here. So what will be the order of the matrix M that is asked in the question? So that will be 2 into 2. Okay, because here the product is 2 into 2 matrix. So the question will also be in 2 into 2. Now M is equals to, let's take it as A, B, C, D like the previous question. After that we'll just multiply this with 4, 2 minus 1, 1 matrix, that is equals to 6, 0, 0, 6. Now after solving it out we have got 4A plus 2C, 4B plus 2D, minus A plus C, minus B plus D, 6, 0, 0, 6. Now we'll compare the elements. So 4A plus 2C is equals to 6 and minus A plus 6 is equals A plus C is equals to 0. So here from here minus A plus C is equals to 0, we can get the value of C is equals to A. Now putting the value in the first this equation, we have got C is equals to A, we'll put. So we can get 4C plus 2C is equals to 6. Okay, that is equals to 6C is equals to 6. So C is equals to 6 by 6, that is equals to 1. Now A is equals to, because C and A both are equal, so A is also equals to 1. Now in the next equation minus B plus D is equals to 6. So D is equals to 6 plus B. Now we'll put the value of D in the equation. So it will be 4B plus 2D is equals to 0. So 4B plus 2, 6 plus B also we can write D because we have got the value here. So we'll put it. So we'll get 12 plus 2B is equals to 0. Now 4B plus 2B is 6B and this 12 will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become minus 12. So B is equals to minus 12 upon 6, that is equals to minus 2. Now D is equals to 6 plus B, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. So we have got the value of all A, B, C, D. So we'll put the value. So we have got the matrix M is equals to 1, minus 2, 1, 4. Okay class, this chapter matrix is finished over here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.